Here are bills pertaining to labor and human resources. AB 897, McCarty, Democrat, Sacramento, reduces the threshold for part-time probationary employees in adult education programs to be deemed to have served a complete school year if the employee has served 75% of a 60% short-term position. CSBA position, oppose. This bill was passed by the legislature on September 11th. SB 433, Cortese, Democrat, San Jose, removes the authority of an elected school board to make the ultimate decision on whether to take significant disciplinary action, such as the demotion, suspension, or dismissal of a classified staff person, and places it into the hands of a third-party hearing officer. It would also require LEAs to fund the costs associated with obtaining a disciplinary ruling for cause from a third-party hearing officer, who would also be required to be jointly selected by the LEA and the union, and it would also extend the timeline to file an appeal. The CSBA position is opposed. This bill was passed by the legislature on September 12th.